What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if you encounter Valorant error when 185. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it, and I'll be showing you exactly how you guys can do it. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Since the release of Valorant, a first-person shooter game developed and published by Riot, millions of users all over the world have been playing this game or on their Windows PC. Although Valorant runs smoothly, often smoothly, uh, people suffer from some of the errors for some reasons, and this problem is the WAN 185 error code, which triggers discussion within some of the forums of the gaming community. So what you guys can actually do, relaunch the right client. Simplest way to solve the error code is when 185 can be relaunched the right client. In the most cases, this can solve the issue and take the following steps. In the bottom right corner, locate right client and right click on it to choose the exit. So the other thing is reinstall Valorant and write Vanguard. Sometimes you don't install Valorant and write Vanguard. Riot combs custom game security software properly, resulting in WAN 185 connection error. In this case, consider reinstalling Valorant and write Vanguard to help you out. So by doing so, you'll be able to get the issue fixed. So the fix number three is remove Valorant tracker and overwolf. So by doing so, your game will run smoothly. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful.